Oh! Oh wow. That grass is actually nice. Roly poly. Alright everyone, welcome back. We're here at a new location. I've never been here before, and it looks pretty good. I've got a piece head of pili and a split shot sinker, so we'll send this out, let it sink, and see what happens. Let's go, first cast of the day. Bang. As you can see, there's like a little ledge here. There's like a nice little ledge, and it just looks all nice and deep here, nice and open. And yeah, let's see what happens. Hopefully we can get a nice good fish on. And yeah, we're fishing here with David Inkham, so let's see what happens. Alright guys, just quickly changed the rig. I got a ball sinker running down to a hook, and I just put on a nice little cube, and see what happens. I don't know, I thought it would be better to fish with a running sinker, as it can hit the bottom. There we go. Now we're getting it out a lot more further, which is what we need to do. Alright guys, we got some hits. This is gonna go I lied to it.
Yes, hits. I love it. I love it.
Bro, I actually thought I had a fish on, bro. Like, bro, it's actually full pulling. Like, this is not a snapper. Good take, not bad. That has to be a snapper, bro.
Record?
Yeah. Oh, look at him. What a pinky. That's alright. First fish of the day. Took it very well. Look at that. It's a nice pinky, bro. Bro, look at the spots on it. It's actually... Whoa.
Come back in the summertime, bro.
There we go. Go free. Alright, let's go put on another bait. See what happens. You ready guys? 3, 2. He's hitting it. Yep, strike. Nah. 3, 2, 1, and strike. Nah. And oh, wow, bro, is this a snapper or what? Oh wow, what is this? It's got some good weight to it, I swear. Oh no, you didn't. You got me. Oh no, he's still on there. Oh, what is this? It's too heavy. Now I'm stuck again. It's taking it. Oh, yeah, it came out. It came out. Oh, he's swimming so fast. What a bream. Oh, that's a donkey. 2, 3. Oh, look at that. Wow. Wow. That is one donkey bream right there.
I'm gonna go get my bag now.
Look at that. Oh. Wow, wow, wow. I reckon this bream is going at least 37.
Yeah, keeping it?
Yeah, keeping it. I reckon he's going around 37. Alrighty. He is 35 centimeters exact.
Look at that, guys. Nice 35cm bream.
Alright guys, I'm going to keep this guy for dinner, and yeah, let's get out there.
They can feel every bite.
That's right. Alright, next cast. Hopefully we can even get a bigger bream. See what we can get. We just need to take what we need, that's it. Don't overkeep fish. Just take what you need. So that bream would be very nice dinner. Let's go. Hope it's on another fish. Another pinky. They keep getting smaller and smaller.
We want them bigger and bigger.
Look at that. That's baby, bro. Alright, let's send him back. Dang. Off he goes. Alright guys, we've just finished from this area. We've caught a couple of pinky snappers and one nice bream. So, I hope you guys enjoyed. Please like, share and subscribe, and stay tuned.